tiger eats the chicken.
No, we hit the tiger, but the
他打老虎，
Because the tiger ate the chicken.
老虎吃鸡，
which is the cat, the tiger is the chicken.
哦对，老
Yeah,
虎吃
so
鸡
what is the bat doing here?
打，
We hit the
Yeah,
tiger.
we
killed the tiger.
We hit the
然后
他
他
like
打
it's like a food chain.
对，有点像。
OK
好，所以鸡吃什么？
The tiger.
Caterpillar.
Chong.
对
So chong means
虫，
chong means caterpillar.
Okay.
虫 means caterpillar。对，好，那虫跟棒子，
The
Caterpillar doesn't eat a bat.
对，
They would. Yeah, they would.
他们会。
Okay.
Don't
Question.
chickens have
After
worms?
class.
哦，你待会
Are
儿
we gonna? So am I gonna eat Sophia? And is Sophia gonna eat Selena? And Selena gonna eat Kian? And is Kian gonna eat me?
我们就到时候就知道了。好，OK，那你们有这个，看下一个，你们的 handout
Wait, we write this down.
这边有，这个好，所以全班都会说棒子
Bat. Oh, sorry.
棒，全班一起说棒子，
Bang.
棒子，
Bang.
老虎，
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 鸡，
鸡，
鸡，虫，虫，我们要干什么呢？给你们看一下。嘿，我待会儿要做这件事。
Stick tiger chicken. Okay, then filling the time. Who thinks we're gonna have a snow day on Monday? I know. I don't know. Oh wait.
好，开始。
棒打老虎，鸡吃虫。老虎，我赢了，
Like Robert
我
was in the
输
shoe.
了。棒打老虎，鸡吃虫。平手。
什么是平手？
Tie.
对，平手。好，下一个。来，
Who made the draw and the back?
Wait, what is this?
棒打老虎，鸡吃虫。我赢了，我输了。
好，看得懂吗？
Where was this filmed?
懂吗？你在高
It's
中
a。high school kid.
Oh, I'm sorry.
对
Okay.
对，在高中。
Who made the lip tree?
啊？
The tree with the lips on it. The
哦，你们做过啊？丹丹老师教你们，对吧？你们做过。好，所以请问什么是我赢了？我赢了是什么意思？我赢了在哪里？翻页。什么是我赢了？什么是我赢了
I play.
我对。
I want to win. Crown.
对
I won.
呀。
Oh.
好，好，那我输了是什么
I lost.
好，是这个。那平手
Tie.
平手。
We write this down.
呀，可以。你们现在
Right, so warring is that's win, right?
对，我输了就是斜
One.
and then tie。好，可以。